All right. Hello, everyone. Rob here with the Code Zone, and this is November 4th, 2025 edition. And I do want to welcome all of the brand new members that have came in since the last week. And the numbers are looking really great. So I love to see all the new folks and faces. Matter of fact, we had a really good time on the live Q&A that we had on Monday. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and go through the agenda here real quick. And I just want to talk again about the member stats. Like I said, really excited about that. I want to go over a few of the memorable posts that we have here in the community, and then show you a special Skool Easter egg. So hang out till the end. We'll make this thing quick. All right. So the very first thing, like I said, member size 85, right? Like we are continually to see growth, and I'll show you here in this video how you can help out in that effort as well, and what are some of the perks as well to inviting people. As far as live courses, I added some more courses that are live now in the classroom. We'll go over that in this video as well. Let's go ahead and dive into the Skool community here real quick, where we'll just highlight a few memorable posts that we kind of had throughout our last week, right? So that way you can get to know some of these posts and maybe comment and like a few. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we have Ewell. He decided to share a portfolio, which is really cool. And he provided you with a couple links here for you to try out. One is going to be the admin side, and he provides you with some admin details as well as the normal website as well. So, he created something really cool. We can take a look at that real quick. But it looks like a lot of hard effort went into this website here. And right now it's loading the products from the databases and everything. And so here it is. You can see, really great, really nice effects going on with this, and all loading from a database with stores and images and everything. We also have Devyani. They also shared this as well, where you can take a look at not only the GitHub repo and take a look at the code, but you can also take a look at the app that they made as well. And so you can go ahead and allow. It grabs your location from your browser and it tells you the temperature from some API that's out there, allowing you to get the data based upon the latitude and longitude that you're given. So it's really neat seeing all these projects getting shared. And what's even nicer is seeing that people are commenting on it as well to give out tips, tricks, pointers, because this whole group is all about improving, right? All right. So now, if you are looking at making things just like that and you're new to the system and everything, that's where I would head over to the classroom and take a look at what we have in here. We have everything from beginner out there where you are just getting some of the fundamentals. But like I said, we have 10 classes now or courses out here. And I just wanted to highlight just a couple. And we did just recently release this one, project-based HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This one's going to be continually, projects are going to be added to this. So at the end, it's going to be really huge. And so if you get it now, like I said, more projects are going to be put in there. And I don't know what kind of cadence that's going to be, what that looks like. It might be on a monthly basis. It might be on a couple a month, but definitely are going to be continuing to add to it. We also have, if you're into Python, we have Python Challenge Workbook. Again, this is another one that is going to be continuously revamped and added to because, challenges, they are going to be what really helps you and sets you apart when it comes to learning these. And not only do we give you the walkthrough or the prompt, we also give you the solution walkthrough. So if you are stuck, then you can definitely take a look at that. Like I said, we're going to be adding a lot more to the Python workbook. There's some of them in there right now, but more is going to be added here later. Now, of course, if you are looking to go into web dev, these three right here, definitely ones that you want to go ahead and knock out. And that sets you on path for doing some of those examples that you just saw from those two people in this community. All right. So it sets you up for the foundations on getting with the end goal of, hey, let's go ahead and experiment with some weather stuff, right? Like all that stuff is going to be in here that you'll be able to do. And then, of course, if you're part of the VIP program, this is how you're going to be scheduling your visits, your one-on-ones and stuff with us. So that is unlockable as well. Okay, so again, more and more courses are coming. And one of the things that I did want to point out here is, how are we going to grow this community? I really need your help with growing. And there's also an incentive for you in helping me grow this community. And let me go ahead and explain that real quick. All right, so I'm showing you another community because I don't have this little invite people on my account through the code zone because I'm the administrator. So there's no way for me to kind of demo this except by going to a different community. And so when you click this, y'all, if you click on it, you'll be presented with something that looks like this, where it says invite people. And this community here does 40% commission. And guess what? The community that you're in right now with the code zone does that as well, meaning that if you get somebody that is interested in the course or interested in our premium tier, which right now at the time of this recording is only $7 a month, you'll get the 40% commission from that. But if they end up going with the VIP service, obviously it's 40% of that as well. Very high commission rate, and it is for the life, meaning that if they continue on with the program, if they continue on at that $7 a month that we're asking for premium, then that is going to be given to you as well for the 40% for life as long as they're in. Now, if you're asking yourself, where is this premium service located at? It's all right here at the start here. So if you come over here, you'll see that you'll go to all the plans that are available. And this one right here is the premium. Obviously, we have the VIP. And becoming a premium member for this, according to this video here, it is going to be $7. You get access to all of the courses. You get the HTML, JavaScript, Python, all of those courses. And any course that is going to be added, you'll be part of the founder locked in pricing. I mean, it's never going to go up on you. Now, this price may go up for newer people later on down the line, but as long as you stay in at the $7 a month, that means that you are locked into that pricing and it's not going to go up on you. We also going to have 24/7 open study hall where you can meet up with your coding buddies. It's there for you to use, link up with people. You get your own, or you can move to your own private room. I'll do another video on that probably next week. But and then we also have access to office hours right now as a preliminary founder. And what does that look like? Well, if you go to the calendar, you'll see that if you are needing help with anything, we have the open office hours right here. And these are all based upon my local time here of the Indianapolis time. Okay. So anyways, that's a real great thing. Like I said, commission, if you're looking to bring people, I want to have a really great community. That doesn't mean that they have to get anything in the courses, but hopefully we're here to learn. And if you want that accelerated learning, I would highly recommend going at least premium. And then if you want even more acceleration, I would definitely think about that VIP because that is priced really low right now. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and talk about these Skool little Easter eggs. Okay. So if you are looking for something to do while you're here in the community, you can come up here to the search box. And if you type the word, let there be cat, okay, and then you hit the enter key, notice that you get this little cat here. This one happens to be smoking. I don't know what it is, but you have different flavors of cat. You can go gangster, and each one of these comes with music. So make sure your speakers are kind of turned down a little low. You have funky, you have lo-fi, you have metal, and then you have make it rain showing up here as well. Okay, so those are all of them. Now, if you don't want to hear the sound, you can just hit the pause button and it should stop. And then we can come over here and just do shoe cat and it should go away. There you go. And the cat goes away. All right. So anyways, that is the Easter eggs of Skool. And I do want to say again, thank you for coming out this past Monday where we had even more people show up and we got to talk a lot about artificial intelligence and do we think it's helping, hurting, where's it kind of at right now? And it's also really a great place to put a name and a face. So with that being said, we'll see you next week, hopefully. And hopefully you're out there helping me bring more Code Zone members in. All right, take care.